from wherever you are and what you're doing. Today, I know that you're anxious to hear from the man who is changing the face and the ways of affiliate marketing and changing the way that wealth is acquired. I'm not going to take too long. We went through and literally weathered some bad times, but he's here to tell you and announce to you the good news. So help me to bring to center stage our SHAVEZ.
Recording in progress.
All right.
Yay. Someone is doing like this. Somebody is like this. Can do it.
We have some superstars here too. So thank you all very much. Chavez, the floor is yours. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I hope you all are doing great. Well, we have achieved an amazing, milestone in the development and rollout of the minimum viable product that we are working on for Boomerang. And of course, this is not the first one, or this is the last one. There will be so many. And today marks the last Wednesday update before the trading starts. So I will brief you all thoroughly about the update, what is going on, where we are right now in the rollout, in the deployment. I hope you all are excited and awaited for this update from me. So starting with the flash loan limits, that is unlimited, and profit ceiling for every license that is subscribed from January till 5th of April closing of the business hour. So I am really proud and excited to announce that all the profit ceilings and the flash loan limits and the whitelisting is finished, is done already to the smart contract. So if you have purchased a license, you are now whitelisted and you have the profit ceiling on the contract level of Boomerang. I'm going to share my screen and show you guys the new Boomerang smart contract, and also I'm going to share in the chat the smart contract that we are going to use for the MVP. This is for the Polygon. Later we are going to shift and expand with Arbitrum, with Ethereum and few other networks. So more smart contracts will be verified and will be used to execute the arbitrage for you against the profit ceiling that you have. So this one is Boomerang Alpha Fund Controller contract, which has whitelisted you, and all the users have limits. So you can go on transactions, you can check last 1 hour ago, all the batches have been whitelisted. So every user who has purchased a license is now whitelisted on Polygon network with the smart contract. Later we will change this synergy of whitelisting. We will whitelist at the application layer, and you will switch networks and you will operate with your profit ceiling into different networks. But for the rollout of the MVP, we are using Polygon, as I stated, and later with the bots and everything, we will have Arbitrum and Ethereum. If you visit the DApp, you can already see there is Arbitrum in the bot already. So the operations of the bot, we will train you. But for the manual arbitrage, manual trade, you can use Polygon and start So what's next? After the, okay, so what you have to do is now, after 1 hour from now, not now, 1 hour from now, we will be updating the UI. So in the DApp, if you will go, you will see user details. In the user details, you will see new section, which will be profit ceiling. Once you see the profit ceiling after 1 hour from now, 1.5 hours from now, you will have to go to WAAS and check how many licenses you have purchased and calculate the 3 times of the license value according to the profit ceiling. Let's say you have 2 license 1. That means $1,000 worth of licenses. So your profit ceiling in the DApp should show $3,000. If it is showing $3,000, then you are good. You're good to go to start trading. If your profit ceiling is showing any discrepancy, after the UI is updated, in couple of hours, we will roll out a Google form through which you have to submit that your profit ceiling is not showing correct. So we will correct. We will take 48 hours from the time UI is updated. In these 48 hours, we will rectify, we will collect details from the market and we will rectify the profit ceiling. And after the examination and correction, we will resume the trading on the new contract that is for the MVP and the trading starts. And then operations of the bot will start and followed by the operations of the bot within 14 days of operations of the bot manually, we will automate the bot. Right now, if you go on AI bot, you will see okay. I think I need to connect my wallet. Okay. Anyways, if you go on bot right now on any device on cell phone or on computer, you will see ticket sizes and you will see multiple networks. So the bot is operational with Polygon and Arbitrum both. Initially, we will start with Polygon with the bot and we will manually operate the bot. After getting the impressions of the operations of the bot for less than 14 days or within 14 days, we will automate the bot. We have built the bot, but we don't know how to automate it because it's AI based bot. It's not like an auto clicker where you click 1, 2, 3 and the things are executed. No, it is an artificial intelligence based bot that we need to automate. So the update is you have to go to user details after 1 hour from now, 1.5 hours from now, and you will find profit ceiling right here on the right side of the user details. Once the profit ceiling is updated, you will hear from your uplines or I will pass a message and you need to verify for every license you have bought. If your profit ceiling is correct, then just wait. We will correct and recheck also from the market by running scripts within our database. And if it is not showing from the user end, then you can report via Google form and we will rectify. All right. So this is the long-awaited, information that you all wanted to hear. Yes, we are delayed. Uh, we are not on time. There were several reasons. There was Polygon, which was not up to time, and before Polygon also there were some difficulties that we faced, and also in last week UAE experienced heavy rains, and it was a floody situation here in UAE, and even WAAS as a platform was down for 24 hours. because our servers were physical. So in the basement where physical servers were established and installed, there was water this long. I personally physically went into the server room and we plugged out the servers ourselves and we moved the servers. Thank God everything was in terms of development, everything was on cloud, so we are not affected by anything in any manner. But yes, it was a little troublesome situation for the teams. We had to move and shift our offices and everything. But there were delays because it is involving development and it is involving the deployment on the live net. So there are some dependencies also always on third party, where there is a little bit delayed response from the API providers. There are some delayed response from third party solution provider. So after chasing everything, everyone, we are done. We have now finally whitelisted the users on contract level, and in the blockchain layer you all are ready to go and trade now. So now we will just uh, make sure that at the UI level your limit is showing right. Once we ensure that, we will resume the trading within 48 hours of rechecking the database once and re-evaluating from the market also. Because we don't want to, I personally don't want to leave anyone behind. If you have purchased the license, then we should all start trading together. And I received some questions from the market. I would like to clarify. Okay. Or if Grace, you have additional questions. First, I will clarify at my level, and then one of you can ask. All right.
Okay.
So there are a few clarification. Users are, or people are not very sure how they, when they buy the license right now, what their limits are going to be. So if they buy the license, we are going to update on WAAS and on Boomerang as a platform the license details, or you can say the benefits of the license. So the benefits remain unchanged. That will be 3 times of the license value that will be profit ceiling. So every user who acquires a license is going to receive a profit ceiling of 3 times the license value from here on and later also. So this is one thing. Second thing is, the users who have acquired the license after the 5th closing, that is after we stopped the pre-sales for the MVP, those users will be whitelisted after 24 hours of operation of the app when the trading resumes. So once we operate the DApp with these users for 24 hours, after 24 hours, we will start whitelisting the new users, also the users who have subscribed after 5th. Okay. Now, second thing is the miners which are being minted against the licenses you have subscribed. Till 5th April business closing, the miners have been minted already. So you just need to go and check your Boomerang address where you have purchased the license. You will see the miner when you connect that address with BTC20 Smart Chain. After 5th of April, miners will be minted as soon as the trading begins. And then it will go live 1:1 every day. Okay. Third thing is, okay, updates on the ICO. So updates on the ICO are, we are holding off the ICO for some time. Once we start operations, we will announce some important aspects around Boomerang. We are going to do some additions like the own liquidity pool that I announced, that we are making our own flash loan protocol where you as a user and investors as liquidity provider can provide liquidity and generate incomes as an interest or fee of the flash loan. So after announcing the liquidity pool and few more milestones that we have achieved, we will start the process of the ICO. But right now, immediately after the launch, we will not roll out the ICO. Fourth thing, uh, okay. So some users are skeptical about the flash loan limits and the liquidity or volume or ticket size for the trades to be successful, as so many users will be trading all together at once. So people are concerned that there will be no liquidity or there will be less successful trades or arbitrage will not be found. So I want to answer, this question came from the market. I want to answer, this is what we have built. This is the USP of Boomerang. You know, this is what we have created together. The tool which finds arbitrage for you, the tool which crawls in the decentralized exchanges and checks whether there is liquidity or not. Why are you guys concerned about the liquidity or about the volume, about the ticket size, about anything? Boomerang is here to do that. This is what Boomerang provides. So don't question the product. Understand? So this is like uh, questioning the product, you know. So this is the USP of Boomerang. This is what Boomerang does for you. And you have done that. In the beta phase, you have tested yourself with your beta testing limits. All right. Next is the price of BTCC has not increased since January. Are there any steps being taken to increase its price? Well, BTCC is totally dependent on the market. As you harvest, as you mine more, as you stake in some, let's say we run some staking programs, you stake or you hold it, it will continue to grow. I know the reason why it has not crashed. I know the reason why it's not zero. Okay, so don't ask me why it's not increasing. Okay, I have been playing a major role in keeping it intact. So it's you guys who can push it, right? Not me. My job is to hold it. My job is to keep it intact there. And I have been doing so. Yes, there will be steps. There will be few more additions, which I spoke about in last Wednesday call and previously in second last Wednesday call about the meme tokens that we are going to build on BTC20 Smart Chain. Yes, the process is ongoing. After the Boomerang trading starts, we will begin. The DEX is under update. The website is under update. And also the blockchain is also going to be. So the major update was scheduled in February 2024. The major update is not deployed yet. So it is still on the testnet. Once we finish, because everything was focused on Boomerang lately, that's why once the major update goes on the blockchain, you will see a lot of new additions and changes on BTC20 Smart Chain as well. Next thing was node activations. Yes, it is already ongoing. All right. So Arbitrum blockchain, there were questions on Arbitrum blockchain in the bot. So yes, if you go and visit the bot option on the DApp, you will see Arbitrum as well. So the operation of the bot will involve other networks initially. Once we learn as a team. And once the technology, the AI learns how the bot is responding and acting in the live market, in the current market conditions, then we will automate the bot and it will be multi-network at the same time. So you have to just have little gas fee, and the gas fee would be, you know, would make your, would run your trades, would run your, okay. So the gas fee would ensure that your bot runs on multiple networks. And also we are testing the feasibility. We can test everything after the operations start, because what we as a team can do is we can run like 4 to 5 or 10 or 100 trades. But with you guys, we can learn and we can optimize with thousands and thousands of trades. That's how the MVP is built. So after running the trades in beta version, we have optimized everything and we built the MVP on the basis of the tests in the beta phase. So exactly the same way bot will be built and bot will be optimized. So we will start manual trades with Polygon. Followed by that, we will start the bot operations. Bot will not be chargeable, or you will not have to pay for bot initially during the testing. With testing, you can manually run the bot without any cost. But after impressions, after we get a certain level of trades and we collect some data, we will automate the bot, and then it will be available as a subscription in We Are All Satoshi as well, so that in your affiliate side, you can make a handsome amount of compensation. Okay, next thing is, all right. So the whitelisting delays, people have been asking, why are we whitelisting with Polygon? We can whitelist with Arbitrum also. No. So the plan is to initially run the MVP with Polygon, and then we will start operations going multi-network with bot, because it will be easier. And once we start operations with Arbitrum on the bot, we will integrate Arbitrum in manual trading as well. So testing and integration of new network will not affect your regular trading. Please understand this carefully. Whenever now we have to add more, because we are going to add 7 to 8 networks in coming few weeks, right? So every other 2 weeks we will add one more network, because we have to satiate the whole database. We have to make sure that there is arbitrage in multiple networks, and you as the user consume, and you as a user secure your profit ceiling as soon as possible, and you repurchase, because the model is to repurchase, right? So with bot testing multiple networks, we don't have to stop the operations for testing with regular trading. Regular trading will go on with Polygon. Once we test the new network on a bot, on our bot, let's say Arbitrum, and then we will deploy Arbitrum with manual trading. Next, we will start Ethereum with the bot. Once we are good with Ethereum, we will integrate Ethereum in the regular trading as well. So this is how the synergy of the testing and deployment will work. Even after the launch, we will not stop integrations and adding more features to the UI, to the UX, and we will not stop adding more networks. So don't think that after 48 hours when the trade starts, we will stop the development. No, there will be updates time to time, and we will enhance, we will keep enhancing Boomerang DApp. All right. So these are the questions that came from the market. Grace, if you have any specific questions that came to you.
Thank you very much. there are a few questions, Chavez, and thank you
Mhm.
again for your time and being here to give us this wonderful update. Great news about the profit ceilings and the status of the UI. Now, someone did ask, but I think you've already answered it within your explanation announcements, whether how the bot will work. Is it manual? How
Yes.
does it work? Mhm.
Okay. First, I have shared the contract address in the chat. You guys can copy the contract address. This is the new contract which we have created today and updated all the users in batches. So the limits and ceiling are added on Polygon with this smart contract, which is again um, verified smart contract. Okay, coming to your question, Grace, the bot is going to be manual right now. Okay, let me explain this. We don't know how to automate the bot. It's not like auto clicker. It's not like 1 2 3 click click done. No, it's AI bot. So we will manually ask you to operate the bot. Once we learn the technology, the machine, the database learns from the operations. Let's say we run 10,000 or 100,000 transactions over the bot manually, then it will certainly create its own flow and then it will be automated. I cannot automate it as a developer. It needs to automate itself. So I also don't know how the bot will operate after, let's say, 14 days of operation. So initially you have to run it manually.
Excellent. Thank you. And now, how long is it going to take to get whitelisted if you were to make a purchase in the now or in the near future?
Okay. So if you are buying licenses right now, which I can see so many people are buying, once the trading starts, after 24 hours of operation, we will start whitelisting from the 6th of April till today. And then once the license is purchased, the whitelisting will be real time. Let's say you have subscribed the license right now, 8 p.m., 7:30 p.m. UK time. You will be whitelisted in a couple of minutes, not more than 30 minutes. So if Polygon is experiencing some downtime, then it will take a little time. Otherwise, it's going to be instant. So within 15 to 20 minutes of time period, the API response will hit Boomerang, and from WAAS, if you purchase the license, you will be whitelisted instantly. It would be instant, but I'm telling in the safe scenario, 15 to 20 minutes.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Now, can the new use, so talking about trading, can we trade with amounts of $1,000 or more? Oh, you muted yourself.
Well, it totally depends on the market, on the network we are using. We have tested with Polygon. We have run $1,000 trades and they were running good. We don't know about Arbitrum, but I can certainly give an idea. With Ethereum, we can run larger ticket size trades. But now the ticket size does not matter. The profit matters because it's profit ceiling. It's not the flash loan limit, which is, uh, less. The flash loan limit is unlimited. The profit ceiling. So the larger profits, how users can get is by running a different level of trades. Uh, in the bot, if you have seen, we have added only small ticket sizes because we know that arbitrage and frequency is more. That's why the bot has few ticket sizes, and we will increase with time. When it will learn, it will optimize more, we will add more ticket sizes, and then it will hit like that. So before automation, we have to understand. With Polygon, I believe $1,500 trades are easy, are working. They were working in the beta phase.
Fantastic. Thank you. Now, can we add new users while getting whitelisted while the ICO is going on?
Yes,
How,
yes, definitely, definitely. Now the ICO idea is entirely different because we have undergone a different, approach with the ICO. We have collaboration now with different companies. In fact, there is a very big news that I'm going to release very soon after the press release. So we have got into a collaboration, which is very, very huge. So once the news gets out, I will announce, and then we will move on to the ICO. So ICO is going to be even bigger than what we have expected.
fantastic. And one last question, please. If
Mhm.
someone wants to know whether, if I believe a landing page or they have a website, would they be able to use the Boomerang logo or the picture from the Boomerang site on their private white page, website?
Yes, definitely, definitely. It is like a see, uh, if it is not conflicting with the interest, the business operation in which we are, if they are in the same business operation, if they are using, then we will file a suit against them. We will challenge them in the court. If they are not doing the same business, that is arbitrage with AI, they can use. For marketing, they can use, affiliate marketers can use We Are All Satoshi. Affiliate marketers can use Boomerang banners, no problem. They can use my pictures also, no problem.
Thank you, Chavez. And one last question. What do you say to those people who have been so anxious and so worried as far as this launch of getting
Well,
started?
see, it's all a learning process. Now you have learned, this is how real technology is built, this is how real products are rolled out, and this is just a second product that we are releasing properly after BTC 20 Smart Chain. So I believe BTCC miners understand the process, how real tech is deployed, but we have a bigger community, I understand, and this community has come from core MLM background. So in MLM, when we see in affiliate marketing, there are no real products. There is the maximum or the intense most product that affiliate marketing companies use is pump and dump of a shit coin. So we are not that. We are a technology. We are a DeFi product that needs a lot of challenge, that involves a lot of challenges in the rollout. It's real technology, and this is just one. After this, we are going to release another one. So yes, once Boomerang rolls out properly, you guys start trading, then I will start the training with the trainers on another one that we have discovered and that we have started development already. The development is halfway through, and this all came from Boomerang, because Boomerang was the one first of a kind creation. And with Boomerang, we discovered that there will be a new side of the market that we can tap using the AI. So it is going to be a byproduct that I'm going to train you guys for. So be ready.
So thank you, Chavez. I know with the bad weather, rescuing servers, and all of that has happened, I know that you have been working tirelessly 24/7 probably. And so thank you so much for being here and providing us this update. There's a raised hand or two. Did you wish to entertain that?
Hear from Sheila. Yes.
Okay.
Anyone?
Okay, Sheila, go ahead and unmute yourself, please. And we're not going to take too many questions here. I think we have asked enough. And so Laura Guerrero, you're the last person we'll take, but go ahead. So
No,
anybody else?
only Sheila and Wani. No
Only,
one
okay,
else.
thank you. All righty. Thank you. Sheila, go right ahead.
Chavez, hey, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Good, I'm good. So let me tell you what everybody really wants to know. And I don't know if you're able to do this or maybe do a mock demonstration. Everybody really wants to know when they're able to trade, how exactly are they going to use this bot? Are you able to share your screen and just show a limited demonstration on how they'll do that?
Yes, it's same. Let me share. Okay. So go to market opportunities, pick the pairs, select assets from here. I have not connected the wallet, so it won't be visible. Then enter quantity like before. Then you select so first asset here in the swap will automatically appear as your primary asset. And the second one you have to select from the pair you have picked. So once you have picked the pair, you will select and then you confirm and the trade executes. And it will be working as same like the last time.
Oh, okay. So I thought we were supposed to be demonstrating using the bot.
No. This is, so manual will also work and the bot will also work. So bot is also working manually. So bot will work with specific ticket sizes. Let's say you have to run only $50 trades or $100 trades, or let's say $10 trades. You hit and run only $10 trades and the opportunities will be visible with the bot. So with 14-day, minimum 14-day operation of the bot, we will automate the bot. But first users have to run manually.
Okay, so when you say we're running manually, we're just doing it as usual, like we know how to do it. And the bot is just picking that up. We don't have to do anything specific with the bot.
Exactly. You have to pick the ticket size and select the chain. Let's say you want to run on Polygon or Arbitrum. Let's say Polygon. So you select Polygon, select the ticket size, then there will be market opportunities of that ticket size from different dexes. You don't have to pick anything. You just have to select and book. Done.
So the bot is watching what we're doing manually, because everyone thinks they have to do something specific, like click on the bot and things. They don't have to do anything with the bot. Just do it manually, like we've already learned, and the bot is actually going to be picking up from what you're doing. Cool.
Exactly.
Only question.
So there are two methods. Yeah, there are two methods now. One is the manual that is available in the dashboard primarily, and then you go to AI bot. So AI bot is alternative method. So let's say 5,000 users currently are trading manually, another 10,000 are trading with the bot. So it's diversified. The scripts are found with the bot. The pairs you don't have to select. Pairs it will find itself. But with the manual trading, you can differ. You can select ticket sizes of your choice. Let's say you want to run only $1,000 trades every day or every time. You run it manually. You don't have to use a bot. For specific ticket sizes, use the bot.
So, but Chavez, what you just explained, that's when the bot is ready for us to use.
Exactly. So bot will be operational. Sorry?
Right now, once we start to trade, the bot is not available for us to use.
I will make sure once the trading starts within couple of hours, because bot is operational. I tested. It is working. Once the trading starts, let's see how many successful trades are, what is the success rate on the contract. After determining the success rate, we will start the operation of the bot. It's ready. It's not like we don't have to do anything. It's all ready with 2 chains.
Okay, you know what? If I'm not clear, they're not clear, okay? So when it's time for us to start trading, we're going to be trading manually like we were doing before. We're not going to touch anything. On your screen, it has AI bot. We're not going to click on the AI bot at all. We're just going to trade like normal.
Yes. You're going to trade normal. But once we announce that you can use the bot, you can use the bot. And some users will go and use it.
And that's the question, Chavez. Once you announce that we can use the bot, how do we use the bot? We just
select the ticket size, select the chain, and then it will run automatically.
Okay, I think the text will be able to go ahead and pick that up and be able to help people.
Okay, 1 second, please. Chavez, can you share your screen again, please?
Yes. Sure. Here.
Okay. So at the very top, besides support, you have AI bot.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So when the bot is operational, if somebody wants to use the bot, when they log into their DApp, like now,
they connect the wallet.
Connect the wallet.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
They select their pairs,
mm-hmm.
and then they
no,
click AI bot.
No. They don't have to select pairs anymore with the bot.
Bot
will find
AI bot.
Yes.
So when the bot is operational, we'll log into our DApp and just click on AI bot. And when we click AI bot, what do we get?
You can open right now because my wallet is not connected. So if anyone has connected wallet.
Mine is connected.
Okay, just visit the AI bot.
So you click on AI bot, 10, 20, 30, 100, 150.
Exactly. So these are the ticket sizes. So you just have to select the ticket size in the network. The bot will find market opportunity itself. Bot will do all the job. It will just book the trade for you.
And you don't even have to pick the USDT or nothing. Just the tickets. And the bot does it for you. Okay.
Yes.
Is there going to be a cost for using the bot?
So once we make the bot operational, that is automated, then we will charge for subscription.
Okay.
But not now. First, we will learn from you guys.
Okay. You know the next question that's coming, right? Oh, when are you going to start charging? But that's okay. As long as we know there's a charge that is coming, and I'm sure it will be economical.
Definitely. It is now going to be more economical because the community is huge, and where we are tapping the markets, where the most traffic is coming from, we understand. I have done a lot of speculation, and the next upcoming products are not going to be more than $50.
Okay, cool beans.
Yeah.
Okay, can we move on to the next question? Alrighty. So Ivan, would you please go ahead and unmute and ask your question? Unmute.
Oh, here we go. Thank you. Hello, guys. Hello, Shavez. Great to see you. You've been working super hard. Oh, my God. Congratulations. Congratulations. Now, what's my question? It has to be a good one, right? The question is, you said that there were like 5,000, 14,000 people already with their profit ceiling limit. Is there a particular way that we check that? Because I'm just going in and I've got 5 different sort of MetaMask accounts and I just refresh each time and then it should show up in the user stat box. Can you show us exactly where it will show, please?
Okay. I explained this, but I will explain again.
Yeah.
Okay. So right now, all the users, it's not 14,000 now. All the users, their profit ceiling is added on the contract level. I showed in the contract. But now the UI needs to populate the profit ceiling. So here in the user details, you will see profit ceiling section here. Once the profit ceiling section arrives here, you will see your profit ceiling. This will take another 1 hour from now. So the dev team is working on this. After the limits, so the limits were updated, let me check, 1 hour ago. So we were whitelisting till the last 1 hour. Now whitelisting is finished. Now we can touch the optimization. So according to the optimized contract, the front end will pick the data from the contract and it will populate on your DApp, the profit ceiling. It is only a thing which is left. So last 3 hours ago, I had the update that it would take around 3 to 4 hours. So I think 1 hour from now, it will be done. Once it is done, once the profit ceiling is showing, you just need to check the profit ceiling and calculate with your license that you have subscribed. If it is not correct, then we will float the Google form. But as far as we have checked the database, the limits should be intact for everyone. But we will take 48 hours of time from now and let everyone check and recheck. Once we will ensure that everyone has the profit ceiling, the limits intact, then we will resume the trade. Okay, we will not leave anyone behind.
Perfect.
My phone is not working right every time it opens.
Nonike, please unmute yourself, Nonike.
Thank you, Chavez. That's very well explained. I think that's very straightforward. Can't wait. Thank you so much for this wonderful, wonderful gift and for all your hard work.
Thank you,
Thank you.
That's the beginning. We have, I will make sure that, I made sure in the Indian prime time also that this is my promise to my community that this bull run is what we are going to encash together. And I will not let a single community member miss out the bull run that we are going to see. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Shavez, thank you is insufficient to describe the appreciation that we have for all the hard work and you being able to deliver and take the time to explain how the bot works, will work. So we look forward to continued collaboration with you and you looking after this community. All right. I believe we'll need to let you get some rest. And thank you so much. Let us go ahead and say good night.
Good night, guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye, everyone.
Alice? Alice? Okay.
Yes.
Folks, there's great information in the chat if you want to go ahead and copy that information there that you need to put in your library. Okay? Thank you.